I'm worried. I'm worried that when it comes to crunch time, our business might not make it. I'm worried that we might not be quick enough to be the best we can be. I'm worried that that feeling I get down deep inside of future glory is just pie in the sky, and that pie isn't as delicious as I'd hope it be. We want to start so many things, but we don't want to use not having enough time as an excuse not to do them. This is for the warriors, the anxious many hiding in plain sight, the go-getters who go get quietly until they achieve their goals, be it business, parental, academic or otherwise. Let us remember that our time is precious, and that if the past is anything to go by, we have a solid foundation to believe that we can do it, no matter the goal. Let us emulate the confident few who march on regardless of perceived failures, remembering those who have gone before us, those who gave up after falling on the first or the second hurdle. It doesn't matter if I keep falling over. I've got a good pair of running shoes and my eye on the finishing tape. Let me remember those who are closest to me, and whenever they fall down or do something bad, I still love them. I help them up, and I see the best in them. Let me realize that that one negative comment or review isn't a reflection of our failing, but a reflection of that person's sadness, and it isn't in our control. And when we receive critique on some of our content or our products, let me remember there are some juicy nuggets of improvement in there somewhere. You just have to chew through the fat. Success wears so many different hats for so many people. Ours is wearing a dou li, which is a traditional farmer's hat here in Taiwan. The ones you see in your mind when you imagine an Asian farmer working in the rice paddy. Our success hat will only be removed once we've cleared all the idea rice, and there is so much idea rice to pick. There is never going to be a right time. The right time is right now. When we say, if you can't go right, then go left. And if you have to go around the block a few times, then do that. You might learn something. And let us enjoy the journey. The destination is never as satisfying as the dream.